In 2018, a small bait company from rural Arkansas put a $2 product on Walmart shelves that outsold every single name brand catfish bait in the store within 6 months. It was not a flashy lure with holographic paint and laser eyes. It was a jar of fermented chicken liver paste mixed with rendered catfish oil and concentrated garlic enzyme aged for 90 days. The recipe was based on a formula that river guides in the Ozarks had been mixing by hand in their kitchens since the 1950s. The company was called OzarkBait. The founder was a man named Dale Hutchins, who spent 40 years guiding on the White River. Dale took his grandfather's fermented liver recipe and scaled it up in a small facility outside Mountain Home, Arkansas, in 2017. He approached Walmart's sporting goods buyer with a simple pitch. My bait costs $2 to make. Yours costs $14. Mine catches more. Walmart tested it in 200 stores across the Mid-South region. Within 90 days, OzarkBait was outselling Berkley PowerBait by a margin of 3-1 in every single test market location. Customers were buying 6 jars at a time and coming back for more. Online reviews exploded. Catfish anglers called it the best bait they had used in decades and could not believe it cost $2. By early 2020, OzarkBait was in over 3,000 Walmart stores from Texas to Tennessee and expanding every quarter. Dale's company went from a garage operation to 14 employees and was projected to hit $8 million in annual revenue. Then, in March 2021, Walmart pulled OzarkBait from every single shelf in every single store without explanation. No recall, no safety issue, no quality complaint on file anywhere. The product simply vanished overnight from 3,000 locations. Dale received a letter stating that the product no longer met Walmart's evolving vendor standards for the sporting goods category. No specifics, no appeals process, no further communication. A $2 bait that outsold a $14 competitor 3-1 was erased from the largest retailer on earth without a single reason given. Welcome to American Fishing. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. This is where we investigate what the tackle industry buries in plain sight. Here's what Dale discovered when he started making phone calls. Pure Fishing Incorporated is the parent company of Berkley PowerBait. Pure Fishing generates over $4 billion in annual global revenue. They own Berkley, Abu Garcia, Penn, Shakespeare, Ugly Stick, and Pfluger. Their PowerBait line alone accounts for over $800 million a year. Pure Fishing is Walmart's single largest fishing tackle vendor by far. When a $2 jar of fermented liver from a garage in Mountain Home started out selling their flagship line 3-1, they had a problem. Now, I need to be honest with you about something important here. There is way too much of this investigation to fit in one video. The internal Walmart vendor communications that Dale obtained, the specific sales data showing the 3-1 margin by region, the complete OzarkBait recipe with fermentation timing and ratios, the amino acid analysis explaining why fermented liver destroys synthetic. I could not fit all of that here even if this was 3 hours long. So I put the complete investigation inside the angler's vault. Dale's full recipe plus the documents that explain what happened. The link is in the description right below this video right now. But stay here because what Pure Fishing did next is the part that should make every angler in America furious at the system. Pure Fishing supplies rods, reels, line, lures, and bait in every aisle. Their products occupy more linear shelf feet than any other brand combined. Pure Fishing had a choice: compete on quality and lower their price, or use their position as largest vendor to eliminate the threat entirely. In the fishing tackle industry, there is an unwritten rule called category captaincy. The largest vendor in a product category gets advisory power over which competing products Walmart stocks. Pure Fishing is the category captain for fishing in Walmart. That means Pure Fishing literally advises Walmart on which competing bait brands should and should not be on the shelf. The fox is guarding the hen house, and the hens are your choices. A $4 billion company has advisory power over whether a $2 competitor stays on the shelf next to their products. Dale never had a chance. The system was designed to prevent him. If you have made it this far, you already understand how the tackle industry controls what you're allowed to buy better than any store manager does. Subscribe and share this with every angler who deserves to know why the best bait they ever used disappeared from the shelf overnight. The complete investigation and Dale's recipe are inside the vault. The link is in the description right below this video right now. Stay with me, because what happened to Dale after the removal is worse. In the tackle industry, there's an unwritten practice called category captaincy. The largest vendor in a category gets advisory power over what Walmart stocks. Pure Fishing is the category captain for fishing tackle in Walmart. That means Pure Fishing literally advises Walmart on which competing brands should or should not occupy shelf space next to their own products. The fox guards the hen house, and the hens are your choices as a consumer. Dale filed a formal complaint with Walmart's vendor relations department. He was told the decision was made at the category management level. He was told category recommendations come from the category advisor. He was told the category advisor for fishing tackle is Pure Fishing. The company whose product was losing 3-1 decided whether the product beating them got to stay on the shelf. They decided no. Dale hired a lawyer. The lawyer reviewed his vendor agreement. The agreement contained a clause allowing Walmart to terminate any vendor relationship for any reason with 30 days written notice. No explanation required, no arbitration, no appeals process of any kind. 3,000 stores, 14 employees, $8 million in projected revenue. Gone in 30 days because a $4 billion company said so. Now here is why this matters to you beyond just one bait company. OzarkBait was not the first small company removed this way. A bait maker in Louisiana was pulled in 2016. A scent company in Tennessee was removed in 2019. A terminal tackle maker in Ohio lost his Walmart shelf in 2020. Every single one was a small company whose product was outperforming a Pure Fishing or a Rapala brand in the same category at a lower price. The pattern is documented, and the practice is legal, and it continues today. Every bait you see on a Walmart shelf has been pre-approved by the companies whose products that bait would compete against if it were allowed to stay. You're choosing from a menu that your competition wrote for you. Now here's what Dale did after he lost Walmart that matters most. He published the OzarkBait recipe online for free in 2022. He said, "If they will not let me sell it, then everyone can make it at home." Here is exactly how to make Dale's $2 bait in your kitchen. Buy 1 pound of raw chicken livers from any grocery store for $2. Buy a bottle of minced garlic in oil for $3. That is the base. Blend the raw chicken livers in a food processor until it forms a paste. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic in oil and blend for 10 more seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of plain salt and blend until fully incorporated. Pour the mixture into a glass jar with a tight sealing lid. Seal the jar and place it in a cool, dark place for 48 hours minimum. 72 hours is better. 96 hours is what Dale uses for guides. During fermentation, the salt breaks down the liver cell membranes. This releases free L-alanine at concentrations exceeding 600 milligrams. The garlic oil provides allicin that survives the fermentation process. The combination produces a scent plume that catfish detect from 40 feet. After fermentation, the paste stays effective for up to 6 months refrigerated. One batch makes enough bait for over 20 fishing trips at minimum. Total cost per trip is under 10 cents of fermented liver paste. Compare that to $14 per jar of PowerBait every 2 trips. Dale tested his recipe against PowerBait for 3 straight years on the river. Same spots on the White River, same rods, same hooks, same conditions every time. Fermented liver caught 43% more channel catfish overall. It caught 38% more blue catfish in deep current. It caught 27% more flathead in structure-heavy water. The only species that showed no difference was largemouth bass. Bass are visual predators, and chemical attraction is secondary for them. Dale said the White River guides who used his recipe stopped buying commercial bait entirely within 1 season of switching to fermented liver. 14 guides, 0 commercial bait purchases, $0 to Pure Fishing. That is why OzarkBait had to disappear from 3,000 shelves, not because it failed any test, because it passed every single one. Now think about everything you just learned in this investigation today. A $2 bait outsold a $14 product 3-1 at Walmart. The parent company generates $4 billion per year and advises Walmart. OzarkBait was pulled from 3,000 stores without explanation. Category captaincy lets the biggest vendor control who stays on shelf. Dale published the recipe for free because if they won't sell it, you make it. 43% more catfish, 10 cents per trip, 6 months per batch. I showed you the story, but I could not fit everything in one video. The full fermentation timing by temperature for maximum amino acid output, the garlic to liver ratios optimized by target species and water conditions, the storage methods that extend shelf life from 6 months to over a year, the documents Dale obtained that expose the category captaincy system. Too much critical detail to squeeze into a single video here today. Everything that did not fit is organized inside the angler's vault. It is in the first link in the description. Grab it before this ends. Every subscription supports anglers who fight back against the system. Subscribe, hit the bell, and send this to every angler who shops at Walmart, because a $2 bait just exposed a $4 billion lie on camera. Dale Hutchins published the recipe. Now you have it too.